Assalamu alaikum, welcome to AHSA Lifestyle. You are seeing my quail beds, and this is the last video of my quail beds, and I've not been able to keep them because of the situation. And you've all remembered how I used to feed them and clean them, and I really miss those beautiful lovely birds, and the birds used to be full of character. And as you can see, the eggs, we had so much eggs from them. There was so much blessings and barakah for them. And this video is the next step. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to AHSA Lifestyle. Today, as you can see, I've got quail in my hands and my father is here. And we're gonna
sacrifice
the birds.
Treat
right?
them.
So there's about 24 birds. So my wife being ill and everything, to take care of them was becoming too hard. So today we're gonna sacrifice 24 birds, right? And we're gonna have them cooked, and you'll see the cooking, inshallah. So now me and my father here are going to sacrifice them.
We're not going to record that, by the way.
No, we're not going to record that. Inshallah, we'll start. The processing is first cleaning the birds, so taking out the feathers and everything, and it's a very long process, as you're about to see. So here we have the birds all taking the feathers off, and now we're just taking the bits off the birds that you don't need, and it's just very lengthy, and but it's all worth it at the end. So all this hard work is done by my sister-in-law and by my mother. So now you're seeing is it's all cleaned and everything that's not needed is taken out, and we've had lots of eggs that are inside the birds. We had this cooked separately. All 24 birds are now cleaned and ready to be cooked. It's my first time I had quail birds that I raised, and that makes it sad, but it was delicious, and that I sacrificed these birds for a beautiful gathering of Qasida Burda Sharif that we have every week, and that makes me feel better, alhamdulillah. Now please enjoy the cooking as my mother and sister-in-law cook a very special quail curry with a special rice.